this morning I'm gonna be setting up my Christmas tree. I could come across a squirrel or a raccoon. It's basements that are scary, not attics. What? So I thought like a raccoon stole my Christmas tree or something. This year we're going decadent with the tree skirt. Hello everyone and welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. What am I gonna do when I get past day 10 and I can't hold up my hands anymore? Today is very exciting because this morning I'm gonna be setting up my Christmas tree. I cannot wait. This is one of my favorite days of every single year. Let me just say, I live with my family and we get a real tree. So you have to wait like kind of a long time to get a real tree so that it doesn't get like really dry and sad. And that doesn't sit right with me, not being able to put up a tree earlier. So I would just implore you to get more Christmas trees. Have them wherever you can if you want them. I think it's really sad if you're a Christmas enthusiast and you have the space to do so and you don't have multiple Christmas trees. Just do it. So I have my room kind of torn apart right now, as you do in preparation for a Christmas tree. I think the most important part is that I have a space cleared for it, and I'm just gonna go up to the attic and get it. This is always the part that I dread so much because the attic is cold, it's freezing cold, and it's kind of an unruly, lawless place. Like I never quite know if there's gonna be any sort of animals up there or what. We live in an old house, so like it's possible that I could come across a squirrel or a raccoon. I never have, but it's like the threat is always there just by like the harsh atmosphere up there. But let's go. The attic door is actually right outside my bedroom door, right here. Every time somebody who's never been here before sees that, they're like, does that not scare you, sleeping right outside the attic door? Like, guys, come on. It's basements that are scary, not attics. Just kidding, but it doesn't freak me out at all, other than the animals aspect. I even keep a nice Beethoven bust there to just kind of add to the spooky ambiance, you know? What? Wait a minute. What the f? Oh! Is this my tree? Totally forgot that I bought a different tree last year that is in this box. That was extremely confusing because I forgot that I had this whole Christmas tree saga last year where I got many different trees. Usually what I do is I don't even disassemble my tree. I just put it up in the attic as is and like leave the lights on. So usually there's a big Christmas tree just standing there at the top of the stairs. And I was so confused going up there. I was just talking about the lawlessness. I thought like a raccoon stole my Christmas tree or something. That would be the perfect Christmas crime. Let's cut this open and see. There was also like remnants of tree, like one segment of a tree just sitting there, and so I don't know if that's part of this tree, so we'll see if this is like a full tree. Okay, bottom. Cool. This is the height of the tree. It's shorter than I remember because I think my previous tree was a little bit taller than this. So I am wondering if I should put it in something to like raise it up, or if this is just like a more manageable sort of size. That was so much easier than I thought it was going to be. Wow. Also, so I got this Christmas tree at a thrift store, and whoever owned this previously, their house must have smelled so good. I forgot that this tree has like a perfumey sort of smell to it. Unless that was me that did that. No, it smells like laundry. That's what it smells like really good laundry. That couldn't have been me. I don't know what to do now. I need to find lights. I saved you from having to watch me fluff this tree, which is the worst part about Christmas. That's dramatic, but like the worst part about putting up a tree, definitely fluffing it. your fingers hurt and they feel gross. I feel sticky, but it looks cute. I love a tree like this that has a lot of empty spaces in amongst it. Lighting a Christmas tree can just never be easy. I always have way too many lights on the bottom, and then I run out by the top, and I have 10,000 strands here that are half working, and I am feeling really annoyed. I should have just taken the colored lights off of up there and just put those on instead. This is always the part of putting the tree up where I think, I don't even want a Christmas tree. This is stupid. I'm trying to figure out if that does look too dense at the bottom. The branches are just denser at the bottom. So, you know, you always have to like squint and look at it so the light goes all fuzzy and you can see. Like, it's really bothersome. I think I've spread the lights out a little bit more now. It still doesn't look right because I like a tree with a lot of lights, but I just want to start decorating. So that's what I'm gonna do. I have an ornament strategy, especially when it comes to ornaments that come with half shiny and half matte. Don't even get me started. I would always prefer to have only shiny ornaments on my tree, but I'm obviously not gonna waste the matte ornaments that come in these packages, right? So I always use those deep in the tree like this, because I like to have baubles like deep in the branches. I think that makes a really big difference as opposed to just on the outside. So I always use all the matte ones on the inside, because once you layer it up enough you can't really see. And I do like how it really like dully, I don't know if that's a word, dully reflects the twinkle lights. So that's my strategy, guys. See how cute those red baubles look on the inside of the tree? I think it makes such a big difference. Also, these ornaments are always something that I factor in before I put too many balls on the tree. Look at how cute they are. My boyfriend's mom got these for me a few Christmases ago, and I just think they're the sweetest thing. I think I was telling her how much I love the vintage ones, because we have one bird ornament that's like one of the really old ones, and I just think they're so charming. And so that Christmas she got me a set of 3 of them. These ones aren't vintage, but I don't care at all. Like, they're just as cute. They're just really gorgeous. 2 gold and then 1 cream. So I always have to find little perches for these before I get too far into the decorating of the baubles. I bought this ornament last year at Canadian Tire of all places, but look at how cute it is. It's a little mini vintage sewing machine. I'm obsessed with it. It is one of those ornaments that's like annoyingly heavy though, so it's hard to find a good branch for it to go on. Maybe there. Cute. Next I'm going in with some classic gold. These ones I think I'm also going to do kind of deep into the tree, because then I have all of these, which are so cute. Like this size of glass balls. It's really pretty like brownish gold, and then beige, and then a little hint. I don't like too much glitter, but just in this scale I do like them. So those ones are perfect for going on like the very tips of the branches, because they weigh like nothing and they don't take up any space, because I hate when ornaments are touching the branches underneath them. That just sends me through the roof. I think I like where I've left it with decorations, and now for the final touch is the star. This is always so difficult to get on straight. It's not straight, but it's passable. Then the next thing that I was considering is, should I put some bows on the tree? It could look kind of cute, but I don't know. I think I might try it. Okay, like this is the scale of bow that I'm thinking of working with. I think I really like it, actually. If you watched my video where I did this garland above me here, you might be asking, what is going on? I thought you hated wired ribbon. Yes, you're right, I do, but I did say, and this is a perfect application of that point, that, okay, that's way too far out there. Wire ribbon is absolutely perfect for when you want to manipulate a shape. So for these bows, I want to create like a little sort of curl to make them just look even that much more. So I'm just like curling this over, like with a really soft curve, over and under my fingers. And like, look at that. I think that is cuter than just having it sit straight, in my opinion. Are you team tree skirt or team no tree skirt? Because I didn't even really realize this until recently, that some people don't do tree skirts. Like, it's such a thing in North America, and is it not in other places? I think I was watching a video of someone in England saying that they don't really do tree skirts over there. So I don't know, are you pro tree skirt or anti? This year we're going decadent with the tree skirt. Vintage navy blue velvet. Let's roll this out. You enjoyed setting up my Christmas tree with me. I hope it didn't give you too much secondhand frustration, but that's just the reality of setting up a tree, isn't it? It's very frustrating and then it's very gratifying, but the in-between part is never as fun as you remember it from the year before. If you want to check out yesterday's Vlogmas video, it will be linked down below. I hope you're enjoying following along so far. You can subscribe also down below if you don't want to miss any of the upcoming Vlogmas videos, and I will see you back here next time.